coming back.
That chopper looks like it's heading to the evac center at the mall.
Gotta agree. Let's follow them to the mall.
You best grab a weapon, I reckon you'll need them.
These don't look like people.
What's with the suits?
Reloading. Hey, look out!
Look out!
Stairs!
Incoming!
Somebody's gotta kill that zombie spit. Reload here!
We can walk along the ledge.
Grabbing a shot. Zombies, it's burning shit.
Reloading!
Help me!
Easy there, Fireball. Let's get shot.
Jumper! I don't know who started this shit, but let's just
Sounds feeling right. Heads up! Ah!
This shit'll help.
This elevator works.
Hope this is I ain't sure what I'm doing. People just call me Coach.
My name's Rochelle. You?
Well, my name's Ellis, but some people call me El. But I really prefer Ellis because El kind of sounds like a girl's name. Prefer to call me El because it can. What the? Come on!
I don't like this. Grabbing a jar of puke. Throwing a pipe. What are those pouncing things? File incoming. Down here. First aid kit here. Weapons over here.
Search these rooms. Might be something we can use.
Oh shit! What's fire.
Reloading.
That better not be what I think it is.
Reloading.
Reloading.
I'm a reload.
Crazy woman.
Heads up! Bile incoming! Pipe bomb out!
Reloading.
Reload. Reloading.
Everyone, inside! Shit, we are alright.